Question: do I pay half of any child care costs my ex incurs, or just work-related child care costs incurred? Does occupational training include a bachelor's degree? Answer: you and your ex are required to share equally the costs of 1. Work-related child care, and 2. Occupational training-related child care either of you incur, but with rare exception, so rare it's not worth mentioning, neither of you has to pay for half of any child care that the other incurs if the child care is not work-related and occupational training-related. The sections of the Utah Code that apply are sections 78B-12-214 and Utah Code 78B-12-215. Section 78B-12-215 provides that child care costs related to the career or occupational training of the custodial parent needs may be awarded on a case-by-case basis. So what does occupational training mean? Utah tends to define the term by what it does not mean. See the decision of the Utah Court of Appeals in the case of Mansell v. Smith, Volume 18 of the Pacific Reporter 3rd, pages 509 and 511. Career or occupational training means training for basic job skills. Basic job skills are training envisioned by the statute is training which can aid a person in achieving an income beyond the minimum wage job, which can be had with no training at all. Of course, a bachelor's degree provides employment opportunities far beyond what is needed as the basis or starting point to rise above a minimum wage job. Thus, a 4-year college education is not the training to establish basic job skills that is contemplated by the statute, which training would ordinarily be of a much shorter duration. In the 1994 decision of the Utah Court of Appeals in the case of Hill v. Hill, in volume 869 of the Pacific 2nd Reporter, page 963 and 965, footnote 1, the court held that a parent in that case who already had a bachelor's degree could be imputed income to him, even though he was unemployed at the time and engaged in career or occupational training because that parent already possessed the education and training necessary to earn more than a minimum wage. A parent is not in need of basic job skills training to enable that parent to earn an income beyond a job, which can be had with no training at all.